guys, I'm Claire and I'm a nursing major.
My name is Samuel, I'm an engineering major.
And we're going to take you through the Thomas Center.
So first thing we see walking in is our pendulum. We've kind of set up some dominoes, and so usually when you're walking through, every once in a while you'll see a domino fall. We got a little lounge, so this is usually a good spot to hang out, maybe work some problems on the board.
We have chemistry labs over on the sides here. We do lots of experiments.
This is one of our physics professors here.
Hey.
I was in his office a lot my sophomore year trying to learn physics. So he made the mistake of always leaving his door open, and I would always come in and ask questions. So we got the first one of our labs. This is our electronic labs. It's where we have like our circuits classes or our microelectronic classes. We got one of our teachers and students working on a project right now.
Hi guys.
Oh, I don't have my key card. I might need to go grab it. This is kind of an important room. This is our RockSat lab. It's actually, I'm repping it right now. This is we call it the SAT lab, which stands for like satellite lab. It's a project that works with NASA, and basically we get to put our project of choice onto a suborbital rocket. And so right now our team is making a robot arm that can catch and throw a ball in outer space. So I got my key card. So this is where our satellite team works. So we've got lots of instruments and circuits kind of laying around from different pieces of the project. This is one of our previous year payloads that we sent up to space. All of this has actually been in outer space, which is kind of cool. Anyway, that's one of the summer research projects that students are available to do here.
As we come down this way, we have more chemistry labs. Lots of opportunities for students here to do research, and just more of the high-level experiments is more of this side of the building. This is Ivan. He's the mascot of the science building. Fun fact about Ivan is he used to be a rug, and then they sewed him up and filled him, and now he is standing in our building.
So this is what we call our HP lab. This is where we have our 3D printers. So we have some of the smaller 3D printers, and then this is our bigger 3D printer. And then we also have classes in here. So there's, I believe, dynamics is going on right now. So this room is our machine shop. So this is where we have a lot of like our lathes and saws and just kind of the more like heavy duty tools. And we provide opportunities for students
Gotta wear goggles when in this one.
This was my senior design project for engineering. There's a new roundabout going by the sugar beet factory. And so our project was to build a prototype design for the center statue that's going to go in the middle of the roundabout. All right, now we're going to head upstairs.
So up here we have our nursing and biology classrooms and labs. And as we go down this hall, we have, much like below, we have our professors' offices on the side and then labs on the other side. So this lab here is one of our biology labs. They call it the critter lab. There's lots of different animals and insects. It's a pretty cool lab. And then as we keep going, we have another biology lab. We have a microbiology lab that takes place in here. And then here we have our anatomy and physiology lab. This is one of my favorite labs that we have on campus. We actually have 2 cadavers every year. We have a male and a female. We have our anatomy lecture, and then this is our labs. We get to really dive in and really see what's actually going on in the body. Great learning opportunity and a fun lab. And then down this hall, we have our nursing simulation lab over here. So we have several dolls, dummies, and they have lots of different capabilities. We have one that gives birth. They have a pulse and a blood pressure. They can talk. So this is inside of our simulation lab. Here we have one of our mock patient rooms. We have one of our mannequins here. This one actually is able to give birth. As we can see, little baby Charlotte has been born here. This one particular is for our OB class. So this here is our Pyxis. So it is very similar to what we'll see in a real clinical setting. We also have a crash cart. So if we ever needed to do CPR or there was a code, we have everything that we would need in here just like a real life situation. So as a nursing major, we get to do clinicals starting in our junior year. In med-surg, ER, ICU, and then later we move into OB and pediatrics, which are really cool. We get to actually be in the hospital working one-on-one with a nurse. And then in our last semester of our senior year, we do what's called a preceptorship, where we will get paired with a nurse somewhere in the valley and we'll work 2 to 3 days a week with them. And then we get to get lots of hours working hands-on, getting real experience as what a nursing experience is like. I don't know what these are. Biology research lab. This is our biology research lab.
So we've kind of showed you where we take a lot of our classes.
We're so excited to see you on campus and maybe see you in the Thomas building.